Hello and welcome to our new video. This video about side effect of loop diuretics. Loop diuretics like furosemide, as we call Lasix, used in hypertension, pulmonary edema, and so many things. So we have to know the side effect of loop diuretics. We will try to divide side effect in two types, hyper and hypo. Let's start the video. First we will see hyper symptoms. In hyper, there is a three type of symptoms: hyperglycemia, hyperlipidemia, and hyperuricemia. These three symptoms increase. Uric acid will increase, lipid will increase, and glucose in our body will be increased. So this thing you can remember by GLUE: glycemia, lipidemia, and uricemia. Now we will see the hyposymptoms. Hyposymptoms has also three types. For this, you have to remember sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Means hypocalcemia, hypokalemia, and hypomagnesia. These three things decrease in loop diuretics use. That's why we use a potassium sparing diuretics. So calcium level will not decrease like loop diuretics. Thank you so much for watching.